siro somo ekara capitation mawangi na uchwale wangsa kendo marindo semiyo chindo mag somo bedo kare kama bende chindo duto mag neno ni onge kwan mag sikunde nyithindo kod omenda michwalo negi bende en gino endo masani oseketi timo.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Thank you for those questions. On the question of capitation, the question of capitation institutions uploading, we have for the first time were able to release capitation this time before the schools opened. And we've had the new system called KEMIS coming into play, and we are training all our head teachers on how to utilize that particular system so that they do not have the similar problems they had with NEMIS. We are training their teachers, and we are training 3 champion teachers in each institution so that we have enough capacity of all our teachers to be able to input the data of the students on time for us to be able to release capitation to the schools on time. We have requested them to reach out to our institutions, to our headquarters, if there is a problem, and solutions are given to them. They get assistance from our IT teams so that that particular problem ceases to exist because it was predominant in the previous system. So what we are assuring you is that going forward, we are resolving that challenge of the capitation, and one of the ways that we did it was to do the verification exercise, which has now given us the exact numbers of the students we have in each grade. The exercise we did, we got numbers from each grade, we got how many female are there, how many male, how many special needs, so that going forward we don't have that problem of